XPRIZE was critical in just getting us to be that next level of waste management company.
Julia, thank you for joining me here today with XPRIZE.
Thanks for having me. I'm thrilled to be here.
So Julia, tell me about your organization, Vaulted Deep, and the problem you set out to solve.
So really, we're a waste management company. We solve two critical waste management challenges. One is the challenge of excess organic waste that we have, oftentimes that can pollute our local environments, and then as well as our excess carbon challenge that we have, too much carbon in the atmosphere. So on the first one, the US produces over 1 billion tons of unusable excess organic waste every year. This is waste that's going to landfills, it's being dumped in waterways, it's being over-applied on land. And when it does that, it causes some pretty significant challenges, right? We see a PFAS challenge with biosolids over-application, chemical contaminants in paper sludge, nutrient runoff, and algae blooms from over-application of manure, right? And so we've got sort of these local pollution challenges happening with the waste side. And then we also have, as you know, pretty critical climate change issue, right? The IPCC is really clear. We need 5 to 10 gigatons of durable carbon removal by 2050, right? And so what Vaulted does is we really try and tackle these two waste management solutions. We take organic waste and we put it really deep underground. It's kind of simple, actually. So we leverage a mature slurry injection technology that was actually commercialized in the oil and gas space. And then we took it and applied it to organic waste and to carbon removal for the first time. So by using that slurry injection technology, we can take that organic waste, put it underground, and then leverage really sort of mature geologic formations, right? We use the same geologic formations that have kept hydrocarbons underground for millions of years. So we know it's being stored safely and we know it's being stored durably. And so when we do that, we not only fight climate change, but we protect local land, air, and water when we do it.
And Julia, how did being part of XPRIZE help you accelerate or scale your solution?
XPRIZE was critical in just getting us to be that next level of waste management company. The XPRIZE team, as you know, is comprised of technologists, of scientists, of industry experts, and they really came in and asked us those tough, critical questions. That helped us refine our diligence packets and our thinking, helped us address gaps in our thinking, helped us really stress test our scale strategy, right? And all that diligent work went out to our local partners and helped them get more confidence in us. It also, just being a finalist, really brought a stamp of approval to us, as a company. So we raised a $32 million Series A last year. We accelerated critical conversations with carbon removal buyers, and having that stamp of approval from XPRIZE was pretty catalytic to giving them the confidence to keep investing in us. Being a winner is obviously just the cherry on the top, giving us the momentum to keep going and keep going faster.
And finally, Julia, what's next for Vaulted Deep, and how can people follow or support your work?
So at Vaulted, we've already been doing waste management and carbon removal at scale. We have 2 operational permitted facilities, so one in Los Angeles, California. We take about 20% of the city of Los Angeles' biosolids every year, and one, our Great Plains facility in Hutchinson, Kansas. I'm really proud to say we've already removed durably over 14,000 tons of carbon removal there. It's over 60,000 tons of waste that's not gone back out into local environments and caused problems. And at that facility alone, we've created over 18 jobs. We've invested $5 million in the local economy. And so I'm really proud of the work that we've already done. But looking forward for this prize, we're really focused on speed and scale, getting tons in the ground in this critical decade, which just means new facilities online. So when I think about what's next and how we need to partner, those new facilities, we're looking for, anyone that has excess organic waste that needs a better home for it, right? That we can be a waste management solution for. We need to partner with regulators like the EPA at the federal level, at the state level, at the local levels, to make sure that we have the injection permits we need to operate. But really, we're here to partner with communities. So the communities that have those waste management challenges, that we can come in and help make sure that their land, air, and water is protected.
All right, well, Julia, congratulations on this XPRIZE recognition, and thank you for joining me today.
Thanks so much. Thanks for having me.